makeup done. The same makeup I've been doing like all quarantine. So side view, I don't know why I did that. Like, it was gonna make a difference. Cool. Do you like how this eyebrow like did not behave the whole time? I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna come in, make some lunch, probably organize that. So that's kind of planned for today. Not much else. Probably will make some dinner before Chris gets home, but it's gonna be a chill day. So I guess we're not going for a walk. This has been going on forever, and I just don't want to deal with all these people outside. So honestly, so instead we're just gonna organize, then we're gonna eat, and then we'll chill. So you guys get to watch this organization situation.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good.
Ta-da! Finally organized. We're still working on this stuff, but basically I throw everything in there that I don't use every day. But stuff that I'm like that's like my mix for the week. Contacts, these are so messy. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but we'll eventually get there. And I have like 3 things, the same thing. Like, this takes up makeup, that does, and that does. This is really expensive. Don't buy if you don't need to. This $8 stuff works just as well. So I'm starting to go through that. So I only have one item. I don't need 3 or 4. So getting there. Woo for change. As always, Anastasia. I'm just gonna clean my clothes, but she's all over them. So that's not happening today, obviously. Boxes, and there's clothes on there to give away. And I found out there's this place where it is $15, but like charities and stuff need money to run. So you basically pick a charity, spend $15 to get the prepaid label and fill it up with whatever. So most of the time I'm just gonna drop off to one of my friends or Goodwill or something. But I did think it was a really cool thing that you could spend $15 of it to fill up a box and just like drop it off. So I'm gonna start doing that. I don't have a ton of money, so I'm going to spend like for like each 3 or 4 bags. I'll spend like $15 to put it back to a charity kind of thing. So I'm gonna try to do that more when I give away clothes, because we are slowly giving away more. So, you know, the best part, yes, I changed my sweatshirt, about having my arm like fully functioning is I can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich again. Like, you don't realize how much you want one until you cannot make one. So we have a lot of books that I've already read. There's a ton in there. So I've either just been like keeping them, or honestly, like, before I knew recycling and how many people were in need and how privileged I was, I found out about, I think it's called Books for Africa. I was looking for something that I could just send in, because honestly, you guys saw the USPS thing. I get very anxious about having to do things, and I'm working on it this year, but I just wanted to find something that I could send in and have to go talk to somebody. I know it sounds weird. So I found Books for Africa. Basically, I mean, you just have to pay for shipping, and they take it and they find kids that can use it, kind of thing. So I just, honestly, any kind of books I'm sure they can find a use for. So I'm doing that. All right, so this clip is all I'm editing this. By the way, I only got 3 books. So I had like 10 books to give, and I just couldn't part with them. So I have 3 books to give currently. So that's how that went, because while watching this content, I'm like, I never updated them, because I got stuck behind my couch reading my encyclopedia and watching 50 Shades. So that's how that night went. So instead of going through the bags I already had to give away, I started a new one. So I'm basically done with this. I'll pay the $15 online, put the prepaid label on it, and give these to someone who actually needs them. I think we're all afraid of the unknown, and getting rid of clothes is scary for me. Getting new ones is super exciting. I know it's such a privileged thing to say, but being honest. So there's that. I don't think I'm ever gonna like resell my clothes. It's just not worth it. I'd rather give them to someone who needs them. And then the second part of that also is I'm gonna just start buying cheaper clothes that basically have multi-purposes. Like I can wear them 7 different ways. So, and the cheaper the clothes, the less the resale value is. So it just won't be worth it in the future. And I would just rather give my clothes a new home, new memories, and to a kid who desperately needs it, or a woman, or people like that, you know? Say hi, Anastasia. So I think I'm gonna start putting stickers on my new water bottle, and my best friend Morgan makes all these stickers, so I think I'll just make a video, or maybe it'll be a reel, I'm not sure, of me putting super cool stickers on here. All right, so we finished the water bottle. I really think I need another one because I still have more stickers to put on here, and I'm looking for my Jonas Brothers sticker, couldn't find it, so that's where Anastasia is wildly judging. So I think we're gonna fold some super cool clothes. I don't know where they went. I think he's in there folding actually because he stole the basket. So I'm gonna go help him. Fold, and then we are probably gonna watch some NCIS, or as I like to call it, NISIS, because everything that is an acronym needs to be said. Like Prindle for the car, like park, reverse, neutral, drive, or the L. I still don't know what the L stands for, but it's Prindle. So you just need to make life more fun. Hold on, I gotta show you my cow socks though. Forgot I didn't show you these earlier. Look how bomb those are. Like, what is life? Little cows on your feet. How can you not have a good day? It's like 12:17. I've been having trouble sleeping lately, but on top of that, people downstairs throwing like a huge party, so that's fun. I'm probably just going to have a snack, look on the internet, because what else do we do? Just look at schooling options and stuff, and then probably watch an episode and pass out. So I will talk to you in the morning. Good morning. It's like 11:45. I went to bed at like 3:30 last night. What time is it even? So I woke up and I started listening to my personal trainer's podcast. He has this other trainer. If I can figure this editing thing out, I will like put it in this vicinity. I've seen other people do it. Let's see if we can do it. So I'm gonna try that. Or if not, I'll just link it in the description box. But anyways, I'm gonna make some coffee. We're gonna chill. I have no idea what we're gonna do today. I don't have anything planned. The only thing I have planned this week is tomorrow I have my personal trainer. I am thinking about working out today, so we'll see how that goes, or maybe just a walk. Who knows? So all the things. So yeah, again, I never know how these vlogs are gonna go, so probably just hanging out. Once school starts back, I think that'll be a little bit more interesting content. Right now I'm just kind of working and cleaning, so maybe we'll organize more today. I never finished the books. The books are still here. We did organize a bit of it, and we have some in that area over here. So I went to order my new phone. I ordered it, I paid for it, and then like 15 minutes later, it started an update. It got canceled. I talked to this representative. They said basically someone hit a wrong button or something, so they're just gonna like apply the funds to my new phone and we'll reorder it. Then they were like, all right, here's a new representative, bye. Disappeared, was in this like lobby for 15 minutes waiting for a representative. And then this new one said I have to wait for my money to come back and then replace it. So now I'm just like $1,500 out with no placement of a phone. So I have to wait for that. So that's fun. And the phone's on back order. So it's like the later I wait to place it, the later, you know, I'm thinking about just like doing the monthly plan for right now, like the 36, 66 or whatever, and just hoping for the best. Okay, your girl is gonna go work out because I just am in a weird mental headspace. I need to go work out. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna see if I can prop this somewhere so you can see me working out because everyone loves that, right? All right, I just went for a walk after all that as well. I just want to clear my head. I feel so much better. I hate working out. Like, I don't hate working out. I have this, like, I just don't like doing things. I don't know how to explain that on my days off. It's not that I'm burnt out. I just don't like moving. So I need to start, like, doing that more. Because that felt really nice. So, probably going to clean this up. I'm going to buy something on Etsy. Got a gift card for Christmas, so. This Verizon thing keeps getting messier and messier. Now that the phone that I ordered, or I was going to order, is out of stock. So, and then I tried to just like buy a different one on the line. It said I couldn't, so I was like, okay, we'll just add a new line or whatever and transfer it. But then I'd have to like pay for a whole nother service. So I'm gonna have to go to Verizon, figure this out, because currently I'm out $1,500. Don't have a phone. I may have this phone, but like, so there's that. And then like I can't upgrade my phone, so I can't even buy a phone to add on this line, because now like this line is like locked or whatever on the app. So I'm gonna have to go in, because I've spent the last 6 hours on the phone with Verizon representatives. First one is the one who got me this mess. Second one said it'd be resolved by 3:30. It's now like 4:45. So I'm gonna just go to Verizon and see if I can handle this. I really didn't want to go because I don't like leaving my house, but and also with like COVID and everything, but I just feel like it'll be easier than dealing with this for the next like 4 days. So okay, friends, so we kind of got it figured out. Not exactly the resolution I was hoping for. Kind of hoping to get my money back, but it's not happening yet. So I just opted to do like the upcharge fee, which was like an extra $150. Then do the payment plan, which is like $10 to $11 a month, just until I get my funds back, and then I'll pay it off. So it'll be fine. But the lady was really nice, was helpful, so all is good in the world. There are much bigger issues going on right now than my phone. So thankful for that. Chris will be home tomorrow since it's a rain day. So tonight we're gonna make tacos. We're gonna make tacos, right? Brain work, activate talk mode, Kristie. So we're doing that, and then we are going. I have like personal training tomorrow, and I think that's pretty much it. I don't really see too much else going on. I got the box to send my phone back in, but I did start organizing more of my bathroom, so let's look at that. I've already seen that. I did put my palettes up here. I'm organizing little by little, so that was down there. I think I'm gonna eventually put my put that stuff down there and put like more of my like brushes and scrunchies there. So this one's the next one. I'm gonna get some palette holders just to prop them up, go through them. We did get rid of quite a few. So I'm just trying to use this time I have off as productive, because we know I don't do well when I don't have tasks. So trying to clean up a little bit, feeling better about it. So all good in the world. And yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog a little more tonight with Chris maybe, but it just depends how the night goes. We might be taking some of the ornaments off, so I'll vlog that if that happens. Okay, so I lied. I'm really tired, so I'm not gonna vlog anymore. But as always, thanks for listening to me ramble. Basically a day or 3 days in Kristie's head is what you're watching. So I hope you guys have an amazing week or weekend whenever you're watching this, and stay safe and pet all of the cats and drink all the coffee.